good morning. It's been a while since we've had an update. I apologize for that, guys. Yeah, I've been getting behind here a little bit. My little guy, Roscoe, any of you guys out there know Roscoe? You remember Bondo, the big guy, the lab? Then there's Roscoe, the little Shih Tzu. Anyway, he's almost 15 years old, and he's been having some issues lately. His kidneys are failing, and it doesn't look like he's doing too good. He's back home from the little dog hospital, and he's resting in the house. But anyway, just slammed with work, slammed with the dog not feeling good, and it just throws you right off track. You don't know what's going on. So sorry I haven't had any updates up there, but we'll give you a quick one right now and show you what the hell is going on here. Okay. The 63 Chevy pickup, if you all remember where we left off, obviously we had the section of the floor in, which you can see up in there, the half section, got the rocker on. Managed to get the cab corner done on this side. Now it's hard to see, guys. I've got so many vehicles jammed in here. If you remember, it was all rotted out in here. You can see this is a brand new patch I made that kind of flows right in. So I took care of all that. We'll come around the other side here. The other cab corner is on this side. Perfect. Let's see if I can get this door open. Uh-oh, hang on. Hang on, boys and girls. You're going to be looking at it. Oh, motherfucker. There we go. We got her open. She's a bit sticky. And we've got the rocker on this side all done. So basically, it just needed a little patch in the corner of the floor there. That was all this side needed. So pretty much the cab is done. There's no more rust. The cab's done, taken care of. Now we got to repair the hood, which you can see down the corners is rotten, which is typical on these old Chevys. Passenger side door, we got to do a little patchwork. And the owner brought me a driver's side door, which is much better. It is rust-free, but again, there's our typical dents that they all have. God, those trucks are just common for that. So that is what's going on with that truck. Now let's take a look and see what's going outside here. Okay, the 67 Camaro ragtop. We got all the edges painted, the jam areas. Beautiful. We've got the top all mounted up in there, so we just got to bleed the rams and get all that working, and then what's going to happen is the car is going to be off for paint. Now remember, this was not a frame off restoration. This was brought it in, tidied up what somebody else fucked up, clean it up, give it a paint job and make it look pretty, and that's what that was. So now, and you can see over here we got Peters 66, the 4x4. We got the chassis undercover here, and we're just getting ready to install the engine. It was a factory 327 in this truck, and that's what's in it again. Let's lift her up. There we go. Nice little 327 waiting to be installed. Beautiful. Onto that. Shitload of parts here. Don't even know what they are. Don't even want to begin. Gas pumps. We've got gas pumps on the go again. Yes, we have. Oh, God, this is so confusing for you guys. If you remember, I had a 69 Chevy cab in here that got painted green and white. The owner, we got new box sides for it, and of course, look it, you have to skim coat them with a light coat of filler, and then block it down, which we're still in the middle of there, because nothing comes straight. But at least they're not rusted, and that kind of stuff. So, we got a million things on the go. Some of these videos are getting confusing. Hopefully you guys remember that truck. Anyway, that's the box for it. There's the floor for it. I'm jumping around like a madman on this video. And now the 63 you just saw in the shop where I did all the welding on the cab. The 6-foot fleet side. There's the box. All the welding I finished up on it. Sean's got everything pretty much the major roughing of the bodywork done, which to me, when I say roughing, it's like 75% done. Now he's just got to go over it. Oh my God, there goes the phone. It's not even that time yet. Anyway, then he's just got to go over it and just basically give it a light block and maybe one light coat of primer, just to see if he's missed any areas, but pretty much he hasn't. Brand new front header panel, because obviously you can see that one is just beat to snot. And what is going on here? 1-800 number. Jesus, they don't give up these 1-800s. They call you all fucking day long. And there's the tailgate for it. So that's what's going on, guys. Sorry it's been a while. Everything is cool here. Everything's going good at the Old Time Shop. Remember, we got brand new t-shirts out there. You check them out. And that's about all I can tell you. So, hey, remember, it is always a good time in old time. Thank you for all you subscribers out there. Thank you for all you new subscribers out there. Hopefully you're happy with the videos. Hopefully you're happy watching us. That's it. I want to thank all you guys, and I especially want to thank my staff, because if it wasn't for my staff, it wouldn't be Old Time Garage. Has nothing to do about myself. Has everything to do about the staff and everybody that makes this place. Okay, big thumbs up, guys, and we'll see you next time.